Scooter check. Eli tässä mulla on Odin softit käsigripit, jotkut paskat baarendit, vissiin dissin. Sitten Avex Volvaa, spreijattu, lähtee vittu tätä lakkaa ihan paska. Sitten se on vähän vääntynyt ja vähän lyhyt. Sitten Apex SCS, hyvä on, Germanen on. Sitten mulla on tää vähän Space Rate. Ja sitten Dissin headset-kuppi, Dissin headset ylhäällä, alhaalla en tiedä. Sitten on sellainen Steez Apex-tarra. Sitten tää Dominatorin fork, en tiedä mikä, mutta vaikka paska en tykkää. Sitten tää Germanen smoothi, paras ikinä, River Wheelie. Se on hyvä. Takan sama. Sitten
Takan sama kuin edes.
Sitten tää J. Clark AUS V3.
Ok, olen Kasper Kaasinen, tämä on minun potkulaitetarkastus. Eli minulla on Odin käsigripit, vähän kuluneet. Sitten mulla on Bluntin bar extenderit ja jees. Sitten mulla on Crispin T-Tanko ja sitten Crispin tuplaklämppi, Nekon headset, Crispin joku hikkiforkki, Bluntin renkaat, Bluntin laakereilla. Takan on sama.
Aika sama kuin
Sitten Crispin Ultima dekki, upous, aika pitkä, mutta jees. Ja Crispin dekki, grippi.
Mulla on Mika Jäävalä ja mulla on mustat softit.
Pink.
Mikä vittu tää on? Disse ST2.
Dissi.
Ja
Minkä väri?
Phoenixin sininen SS. Blunti punainen headsetti. Ja Tiltin Nimbus, Legacy Forkki.
Yellow.
Ja joku protopaska. Ja protopaska täällä takana.
Proto on hyvä.
Ja Bluntin V3 Max Peter Signature. Madgari. Ja kattokaa, lukekaa toi tossa.
No niin. Ja sit vähän klippejä.
Yeah! Hey, what up, man? It's your boy Joe Thrills. Y'all are now tuned into the gooniest mixtape. We got our ups and downs, but we still keep pushing. Gonna catch their eyes, even if they ain't looking. No one take that flight, even if they ain't booking. We gon' fly, we gon' fly. Got our ups and downs, but we still keep pushing. Gonna catch their eyes, even if they ain't looking. No one take that flight, even if they ain't booking. We gon' fly, we gon' fly. I could never be a star, space can't handle me. I need another galaxy with planets named after me. I hold it down, with or without gravity. Matter of fact, half of y'all and half of me, those bad me. Tragically now casualties, but it's not a tragedy, just a stronger rapping scene. I spit it savagely, full time, not casually. All I need is one mic to act as my cavalry. Give them they just desserts like where the camels be. Got my music in more neighborhoods than Applebee's. Sipping 40s, telling stories with my boy Zachary. Muslim pertaining to the female anatomy. It's sad to see my dreams compared to my reality, but I look around and thank God I'm living happily. Haters keep trying, but they'll never be as bad as me. Rap as fat as me, this is me, explain factually. Got our ups and downs, but we still keep pushing. Gonna catch their eyes, even if they ain't looking. No one take that flight, even if they ain't booking. We gon' fly, we gon' fly. Got our ups and downs, but we still keep pushing. Gonna catch their eyes, even if they ain't looking. No one take that flight, even if they ain't. Yeah.